Friends of mine keep asking me, when can I buy my ticket to Pluto? I want my ticket to Pluto. Right now it takes, maybe a decade. But what if we could get to Pluto in 2 years? What if we could get to Saturn and the beautiful rings in 1 year, maybe? What if we could get to Jupiter in a month? I think for our kids, that space vacation is going to be a reality. It's really pretty simple to build a fusion rocket. The direct fusion drive is a fusion rocket where the fusion reactor and the fusion rocket are one device, the same device. We have a fusion region, which is red, which is spinning and heating up, and that's where the fusion is happening. And we have a cool propellant coming around the outside of that fusion region and absorbing all of that energy. So we have antenna and we have magnets around the engine, keeping that plasma inside, keeping it hot, but our propellant coming around the outside, getting all of that energy, that goes out of our nozzle at the back of the engine. It looks just like a regular rocket, and that's how the propulsion happens. It's not just a concept. This is based on an actual experiment. Dr. Sam Cohen is the inventor. He's been working on the direct fusion drive experiment for 15, 20 years now.
There's a great impetus to find a way to get to the closest star. And it's pretty clear that you can't get there with chemical rockets, but with nuclear rockets you could. Fusion looked like a very good approach. If you wanted to get a manned mission to Alpha Centauri, a machine based on this could get you there if you had enough fuel, if you had enough propellant.